Okay, welcome back to the channel. So I want to do an update video of where I'm at with trying to get my loader fixed. It's been about 3 weeks since I got the tractor, and the dealer has the parts at the dealership, but they really haven't given me any explanation to what actually happened. So other than them repairing the things that are broke, it's still going to happen. Now I think I know what's wrong, and seems like it would be something easy to fix, but you know, without them having it, looking at it, they're not sure. So you know, I'm about 2 weeks away from going to bear camp. I actually did button it together with zip ties and was able to spread 24 ton of limestone last week. I got 24 more ton coming today, but the one bolt that I bent, it's getting kind of loose. I'm not sure if it's going to hang on, so I might have to take that linkage rod off. I don't know, but this has been on my nerves since I got this tractor, and I really just want it taken care of. So I was doing some research, and I come across a review, and I promise I didn't write this, but it's kind of interesting. So I bought a brand new B2601, so same tractor, just a little bigger, but same exact loader. And there were issues attaching and removing the loader from the start. I took it to my local dealer, and they said it wasn't assembled correctly and they wouldn't repair it, which I understand. It's not their responsibility to make sure that some other dealer is delivering a tractor assembled properly and ready to go. So the original dealer picked it back up, repaired it under warranty, but said it was assembled incorrectly from the factory. It sat in the garage all winter and was used once for plowing. Back to using the loader again, and I hear a loud pop. Upon inspection, there were missing bolts from the kickstand assembly and several bent parts. Sound familiar? I went through the same exact thing. Called the dealer back up, but at that point the warranty coverage expired and he's out of luck. Now, when I looked up warranty coverage online, it said that the loader wasn't even covered under the Kubota warranty. So I really don't know what's going on here. I don't need to take this loader off. You know, when I spread 24 ton of stone last week, I was on and off the tractor I don't know how many times, raking, shoveling. So Kubota thinks it's so great that I can pull in my shed and drop this loader off after getting off of it 90 times. Drop the loader off without getting off the seat. Makes no sense to me. So I think I come up with a way to fix this once and for all. So I'll show you the temporary patch I did here, or the temporary fix to get by last week, and then I'll get the camera set back up after that, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do to I think hopefully eliminate this problem. Okay, so what I come up with to temporarily get by and be able to use this to spread my stone last week was to remove the bolt that holds that linkage together right there and put a big zip tie through it. So there's the left side, and there is the right side. So it's holding everything together. It allows that to come back past without hitting anything. However, it renders the stands useless because you need that bolt in there to hold everything up whenever you remove the loader. Now the second problem I noticed is, being that I bent this in here on the last time, I can no longer tighten this bolt in. So whoa, yeah, so yeah, basically that was what was gonna happen today. I think the bolt got messed up. I don't have another one, so I think my best bet is to remove some of this stuff so I can get my stone spread, and I'll get the camera set up and show you how I'm gonna go about doing that. Okay, so step one, this is already about apart, so that's pretty easy. I just do that, And then my zip ties, they don't hold too much. That bolt, I'll just leave that on there. So this thing here, I think we can just come in here somewhere. There's a keeper pin. It's like a paper clip. So don't need that. So next up, just snap ring pliers. Take that one off. And this should just go like that. Now this stays on because it's attached, it's bolted over here. I'm not going to put that snap ring back on. Probably just lose it. So we'll put that over here. Same thing for the other side. That comes off like that. Alright, now let's see. We got this to deal with here. See, I don't know. Oh, I see. I think I see. See, this part right here is actually the part I bent. That's all one unit. So I would assume I'll need a whole new one of those if I ever put this back on. But I think the quickest way to take that off and leave everything else intact would be with this. Now you might want to look away, because I'm going to take this here Metabow to my $20,000 tractor. Done. Look at that. It's fixed. Man, who would have thought that'd be that easy? All right. Look at it. It actually even looks good. It like cleans that all up, takes all that extra stuff out of there. So yeah, I mean, really not going to do me any good if I got to take the loader off, but I have no intentions on doing that. So I'm going to hop on here. Works perfectly now. it is such a relief to finally have this taken care of. Obviously, it's not the best option if you need to take your loader off. Luckily, I don't have to. I just needed to perform basic loader functions like roll the bucket all the way back without binding, breaking, hitting on things. I would have been perfectly fine with the old style kickstands. I think they overdid it, over-engineered this, trying to copy maybe some of the other manufacturers, but that's not for me. I know I'll probably get some dislikes on this video, but I have no more patience for this Swift-Tach loader. So if I seem a little bit off my rocker today, it's because I've been at this for 3 weeks and I just need it to go away. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, or dislike, and I'll see you later.